The Eagle portable baler comes in a portable unit or a stationary unit. This one is portable. It comes with an Isuzu 34 horsepower diesel engine or an electric 25 horsepower. Here we have our fuel filter, our oil filter, an air filter, place to check the oil, of course our key switch and our hour meter. Here's our fuel tank. It uses a piston pump that has a horsepower limiter that has adjustment underneath it for adjusting the pressure on the system. There's one setting here and there's another one by the main valve. This one is set at 1900 psi. The one at the main valve is set at 2100. Here's our oil tank. We have the fill cap. We have the inspection lid. And we have the filter. The 4 bolts come off the top, take the cap off, inside the filter. We have our gauge, that's also a temperature. This unit uses Dextron 3 or a similar viscosity. This unit comes with 2 7,000-pound axles. It's available with electric brakes or hydraulic brakes. The main valve for the system has a relief valve setting here, which was set at 2100 psi. You take the nut loose and adjust this in for more pressure, out for less pressure. I have a 5,000-pound gauge. Here we have the lever for running the compactor. This is for the right door. This is for the left door. And if it's a portable unit, it has the tilt. These are the 2 cylinders that hold the doors closed. Up here we have our manual door release. Here we have our step. After you folded the baler down, you can let your step down. Come up here. And this is where the tires are putting to. We have our platinum heads. There's 2 of them up here. We have our 2 main cylinders that run the platinum heads up and down. This is a slide up and down door that is put in position after you have the tires in place to help keep the tires inside the chamber. This is a roller stator. It is designed to keep the cylinders to go down and come back up evenly. The main pivots for the doors are here on both sides. We have grease zerks that recommend greasing daily. The main pivot has grease zerks on both ends, and the grease zerks on each end of the cylinder should be greased weekly. These are the brackets for storing the bale wire. This portable unit comes with a pintle hitch design. It's also available in a 5th wheel with a 2 5/16 ball design. It comes with your safety chains, your emergency breakaway kit for electric brakes, and we have our jack. These are the baler dogs. There's a spring on the back side that allows them to move and bring back into position. These are for when you push the tire down through pass that holds the tire from coming back up. These are the chains that are used to unload the bale after it is made. It hooks onto the hooks. And you raise the platinum heads up and the bale comes out the other side. When making a bale, the first thing you do is put the wire, 1 in each of the slots, about halfway through. Just center it in the middle of the container. Make sure the chains are pulled through the 2 slots. The first thing is to put the 2 tires down on the floor. Next you come in and we start lacing tires at an angle. The next row is put in at the opposite angle. And we do this until the chamber is full. Now we'll close the door. Latch the door with a hydraulic lock. Pull the door closed. Make sure both doors are closed. And then bring the platinum heads down. Make sure the tires are all inside the chamber. come down until both platinum heads are past the second set of dogs. After each compression, lace the tires until the chamber is full again, and then compress again. Again, make sure all the tires are inside the chamber. Make sure the tires are past the bar inside. And watch the dogs as the dogs flip up. At that point, you bring it back up. As you can see, the dogs are holding the tires down, ready for the next batch of tires. This machine will also do truck tires that are cut in half. You lace them in, and then you place the car tires on top. At this push, we were able to go down past the top set of dogs. We're not able to go all the way, so this will be one of the last batches. On the last compaction, lay 2 tires flat on top and compress them. This will help keep the bale in a uniform size and shape. Bring the compaction cylinders down and then leave them. And now we'll open the doors. To open the doors, pull both of them closed tight and then pull the latch. And then open both doors up with the hydraulic cylinder. When latching the wires, make sure this one is pointed down on the bottom, this one is pointed up on top. Bring the wires about 1/4 inch past each other and snap them into place and pull it tight. The best way to tie the wires is to crisscross them, one corner to the other, one down the center, and the other 2 are crisscrossed. At this point, we will hook up the chains. And then we will tip it out onto the ground. This is a completed bale. Average size is 2.5 feet by 4.5 feet by 5 feet.